So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to type lining word on WhatsApp. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the WhatsApp app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your WhatsApp account. Now you should have to tap on person's profile available here. So I'm tapping here. Now you should have to tap on message icon which is available on the lower corner of left side. So tap on it. Then tap on 1 2 3 icon which is also available on the lower corner of left side. Then tap on other options available here. Then you will see the option of negation here. So tap on it. Then type a message like. Then again tap on negation icon. Now see, your message has lined successfully. Then send it by tapping on green icon which is available on the lower corner of left side. Now see, you can see the difference between two different messages available on the screen, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.